Paperwork power. Mastering customs clearance forms for import and export. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing customs clearance forms and the essential paperwork required for smooth imports and exports. As part of the customs clearance process, accurate and complete documentation is crucial to meet regulatory obligations and ensure efficient trade flow. In this video, we will explore common customs forms, procedures, and compliance requirements related to customs clearance. Let's dive in. Customs clearance forms are critical for documenting the movement of goods across international borders. These forms provide customs authorities with vital information on the nature, value, origin, and destination of the goods being imported or exported. Accurate and complete forms are essential for compliance and smooth customs clearance. A bill of lading is a document issued by the carrier, shipping line or freight forwarder, acknowledging the receipt of goods and serving as evidence of the contract of carriage. It includes details such as the shipper, consignee, description of goods, quantity, and destination. The bill of lading is essential for getting possession of goods and clearing customs. The commercial invoice provides a detailed breakdown of the transaction between the buyer and the seller. It includes information about the goods, their quantities, prices, terms of sale, and payment details. Customs authorities use the commercial invoice to assess customs duties and taxes. A packing list itemizes the contents of each package or container being shipped. It provides details such as the number of packages, descriptions of goods, weight, and dimensions. Customs officials rely on the packing list to verify the contents of shipments and ensure compliance with customs regulations. A certificate of origin is a document that attests to the origin of the goods being imported or exported. It provides information about the country where the goods were produced or manufactured. Customs authorities use the certificate of origin to determine eligibility for preferential duty rates under trade agreements. In addition to the common customs forms mentioned earlier, various trade-specific forms may be required depending on the nature of the goods being imported or exported. Examples include the Shipper's Export Declaration, SED, for U.S. exports, the Dangerous Goods Declaration for hazardous materials, and the Phytosanitary Certificate for plant products. Compliance with customs regulations is essential when completing customs clearance forms. Importers and exporters must ensure accuracy, completeness, and adherence to the specific requirements of each form. Failure to comply with customs regulations can result in penalties, delays, or even rejection of the goods. Electronic Data Interchange (EDI) systems have revolutionized the customs clearance process by enabling the electronic exchange of data between customs authorities, customs brokers, and traders. EDI streamlines the completion and submission of customs forms, reduces paperwork, and expedites customs procedures. Collaborating with experienced customs brokers is highly recommended when dealing with customs clearance forms. Customs brokers possess expertise in customs regulations, documentation requirements, and compliance. They can assist importers and exporters in accurately completing the necessary forms and ensuring compliance with customs procedures. Proper record keeping and document retention are vital for customs compliance. Importers and exporters are often required to retain customs clearance forms, invoices, packing lists, and other related documents for a specified period of time, typically several years. Accurate record keeping helps facilitate audits, verifications, and regulatory compliance. Many countries have implemented trade automation systems that integrate customs clearance forms and procedures into a single platform. These systems streamline the completion and submission of forms, automate data validation, facilitate customs communication, and enhance customs clearance efficiency. Given the dynamic nature of customs regulations, importers and exporters should stay informed about changes, updates, and best practices related to customs clearance forms. Participating in training programs, attending industry conferences, and engaging in continuous learning ensure ongoing compliance with customs requirements. Regularly auditing and reviewing customs clearance processes is crucial for identifying areas for improvement, ensuring accuracy, and maintaining compliance. Conducting internal audits, seeking feedback from customs brokers, and implementing corrective measures enhance customs clearance efficiency. Building and maintaining positive relationships with customs authorities is beneficial for customs clearance. Establishing good communication, seeking guidance when needed, and demonstrating a commitment to compliance foster a cooperative relationship and facilitate customs clearance processes. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive discussion on customs clearance forms. Understanding the essential paperwork required for imports and exports, collaborating with customs brokers, and maintaining compliance with customs regulations ensures smooth customs clearance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.